Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have a Google account and choosing if you'll register as a teacher or student. Once done, open Chrome or another updated browser and sign in. Make sure cookies and pop-ups are allowed so Classroom loads correctly. Next, go to Classroom. Google.com and click the Sign In button. If you already use Gmail, you're one click away. This step sets permissions and role context, which determine available features and where you'll land inside the Classroom interface. Now you either create a class or join one. If you're a teacher, click Create Class and fill in the required fields like class name, section, and subject. This forms your class header and code. If you're a student, click Join Class and type the teacher's 6-character code. Make sure to check class settings to enable or disable student email, notifications, and grading scales. These choices control communication flow and assessment behavior, so pick settings that match your workflow. Finish by reviewing the Stream, Classwork, and People tabs to confirm the class appears and content can be added. Invite students by email or share the class code and test joining from a student account to verify permissions. If you hit problems like a blank page, missing buttons, or failed joins, clear your browser cache, try an incognito window, or sign out and sign back in with the correct account. If the class code still fails, recreate the class or contact your admin.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.